Social stories explain social situations to children and help them learn socially appropriate behavior and responses in a fun way. Today's situation is how to respond when someone is hurting or annoying you. When someone is hurting or annoying you, you will take following steps. 1. First of all, you should look at them. By looking at them, you make sure that you are not hiding or running away from them. Sometimes only by looking at them, they will stop annoying you. 2. If they still continue to tease you, you will put your hand up in a stop sign and say to them, "Stop it, I don't like it." Most of the people will stop annoying you when you ask them to do so. 3. If it still doesn't work, you will get help from a teacher or parents. Remember, your teachers and parents are there to support you always. By following these 3 steps, you can stop people from annoying you and be happy. Let's remember the steps once more. 1. First of all, you should look at them. 2. Put your hand up in a stop sign and say to them, "Stop it, I don't like it." 3. If it still doesn't work, you will get help from a teacher or parents. Now you know what to do when someone is annoying you. We will be bringing more social stories soon. Please subscribe to the channel for updates.